Are you tired of struggling with stubborn fat that just won't budge? Many of us face the frustration of trying countless diets and workouts, only to see little to no results. It can feel disheartening when you put in the effort but still don't see the changes you want. The problem with DIY solutions is that they often lack the right support. Many alternative methods can be inconsistent or even harmful, leaving you feeling more confused than before. You need a reliable option that truly addresses your concerns without the guesswork. Introducing Citrus Burn. This innovative supplement is designed to support your metabolism and help you feel more energized throughout the day. What sets Citrus Burn apart is its unique blend of natural ingredients, specifically formulated to promote fat burning while enhancing your overall well-being. Clinical studies have shown that the ingredients in Citrus Burn can lead to noticeable improvements in